All set up and ready to go. How is it, Mike?
Slush as hell.
Very slushy. Ooh, it feels good actually. Beautiful day in March.
Oh, there you go. Nice. Woo. Yeah. Getting fires going like that always feels better.
There we go. So, it's not really the best spot to have a fire. We're right under a big tree here, so we're gonna keep it pretty small. Thankfully, I just got some Italian sandwiches I'm gonna cook up on the cast iron today, so really, this tree's not gonna be in the way. I'm just trying to get some coals going. The boys went out to get some bigger firewood so we can get this fire nice. And we already got a couple holes drilled.
It's getting something more.
So today we're going for brook trout, also known as specks. Hopefully we're gonna get some fish. Got some food for March 8th today. And it's gotta be like at least 0 out here because I'm not even in a coat. It's beautiful. Pretty relaxing, but those of you that watch Steve Wallace, you know, time for step 2. Now I'm relaxed.
Oh. Last time me and Mike came out, we were trying to get the fire going, and I was like, you know what, this just, something's not quite right. And then I remember, I gotta crack a pint.
Okay guys, so I'm getting started on cooking. I have the delicious Italian style sandwiches. What we have here is we have mortadella, some provolone cheese, of course we have salami, then we're getting into some more details here. Here I got some feta cheese olive oil dressing, butter of course because we're going to go for grilled cheese style, and then mayo with the sandwiches here. The secret ingredient, some people might not like this guy, but it's the artichoke hearts. These are going to go right in the center of the sandwich. Delicious. Putting this on rye bread because we're going to go for a grilled cheese style instead of more of the panini style bread. Going to take it over here and we'll get started. Alright, so I'm just going to get started. I'm setting the bread down over here. I got mayo I'm going to set on there. I'm going to make up one sandwich for you here, and the other two I'll just have pre-prepared. So a little bit of this guy. The next thing you want to do, that's that delicious olive oil. This is good. Feta cheese olive oil. You set a bunch of this on here. That was just slightly too much. Let's see if I can put a little bit back. There we go. You set that guy on there. Next we're going meats. So, multiple slices. And what's this one? The mortadella. So we'll probably get 2 slices on there. And provolone cheese on top. We're gonna go 2 slices of those guys as well. Gotta have it nice and cheesy, of course. Alright, so now I got those artichoke hearts. Let's check these guys out here. So, what I like to do with them, since they're a little bit thick, I'll set that down in a way that doesn't spill on Mike's bag. You just need to give them a little bit of a cut. I make them usually into thirds, and you just set it right on there. Kind of how you would with tomatoes on a normal sandwich. So cut that guy up and set it on. There we go. Now that's a basic preparation of the Italian sandwich. I'm going to take her over to the fire with a couple sandwiches ready. Sandwiches all made here. There's 3 of them. Lots of meat, lots of cheese. We got it all on here. I'm just going to toss a bunch of butter into the pan. It'll be a little bit easier that way instead of buttering each one, since it's pretty cold enough out here that the butter is hard. Just going to toss that on there. Got the butter nice and heated up here, so I believe 3 sandwiches are going to fit on here. Let's find out, I guess. There we go, just fits. Sort of. There we go. So obviously I'm going for a nice golden brown on that. We'll flip them in a few minutes. I don't have anything to flip with because I am ill prepared, but those are just about ready. Flip them up and we're gonna enjoy them. And there we go. Ooh. Hey, that one didn't get it too bad. Look at those other two, they're looking good. I guess the top one must be mine. Gonna take a little break here. We're gonna just look at some of the lures that we have. By the time that is finished up, these are gonna be finished up.
So we've been out here fishing for quite a few hours now. Not much luck yet. Today we're using, at least I'm using, what I think is a chartreuse jig with a power bait earthworm, and added on some power bait trout scent attractant on it for some, so far not much. I'm gonna move holes now and see, so I made a new hole over here, which got a little bit of movement on it. Over there for a good while, hoping it would take, but nothing yet. But yeah, gonna move down to the new hole I just drilled and see if we can hopefully get at least one. Cool.
Sandwich is all finished up here. They're actually looking pretty bomb. And this out to these guys here. Hey, some sandwich?
Absolutely. Thank you, sir.
Hell yeah. Some sandwich, Mike?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Beauty.
Oh, it smells good.
How is it, Nate?
It's delicious.
What do you think, Mike?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Not bad, eh?
Would you say I was all on this?
So there's we got salami, provolone cheese, mortadella, olive oil with feta cheese, and mayo.
Wow, that's really good.
Yep, pretty decent. Oh yeah. Pretty good.
That is really good, man.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Unfortunately we didn't get any fish. We went for a little bit, but we had some delicious sandwiches on this great looking lake with a nice sunset going on. It's a pretty good vibe. Nice fire here too. If you liked what you saw today, please subscribe. Also hit that like button, and see you guys later.